So we are here in Kelowna City Park. So there is like a parasailing over there, parasailing, and then naabanganan para sa kids nga magduwa. So hari diri ang bayan. So we're trying to figure out where to stay. We're gonna go.
Ya tiket kay tag 34 man pero usa.
Asa may maayo atong gatuan sa hapon dai.
Maybe we can go later to the water park. We'll see if we can go over there as well. So there is over there, right there, over there. Dito daw na city na siya. Oh, there's a lapit ako. There's the bridge. Sorry. So na nag-parasailing parasailing. So it's really nice here in City Park, Kelowna. So you see, there's a bridge right there. Daghan nag-parasailing. One, tapaad to. Tapos to, tagiduha ka bukad to. So it's actually nice here. But we actually will see if we're going to, because we're going to find somewhere else, because I think we have to pay when we go there. So I think we're gonna go right over there. A place where we can probably swim. But I really don't mind if I don't. Going around here is okay now. So the kids are excited actually. So ayan yung balihan ng ticket. Super excited.
Wala kay sila lagi palit kahapon tungod sa kasugbahan.
Palit sa bana. Di laman kay mga legal med daw, mga ator mga bay.
Di pwede mo tatong taon din. We're excited. Hi, excited.
So that's my kuya there. Thank you, kuya. So that's the water park.
There's another washroom over
right there.
Look, guys.
Maybe we should. The weather here is perfect. Not so hot, not so cold. Perfect. It's because it's Kelowna. Kelowna, guys, is a nice place for weather-wise. Pero sad to say, they had a big grass fire or wildfire in here. I think that mountain was that one over there. See? So, naapoy nagsakay-sakay. So, ayun natutuwa yung mga kids, but my kids don't know how to swim, so do I. But it's okay. So, it's actually nice. This is lake, very big lake. So, para sila they're still thinking what they were gonna do today. Napay lacking in this group, 2 families. So bayad ka, may bayad. So ayan, may nag-parasailing, tapos may sakay. Oh, maybe in my younger years I can do that, but not. Masugma, mga na makamatay na ang kabuhion ko na, guys. So Ay. Okay. Okay. Pa-view mo po tani. Nice view man po. Okay. So, maura to guys. Maghuwat lang may unsay kaayuhan ning karong hapuna. And then next, we're gonna go for fruit picking. We're gonna find, because I think we come here in Kelowna so early. Usually fruit picking is ready like middle of July. It's just the end of the June right now. So, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Babush. Babush for now. Ciao, ciao. Bye.